For my own self, I've got my helmet on. You want to make sure you have a helmet that covers your full head and it fits tightly. It's on my head, nice and secure. I've got my strap not so tight that it's gonna strangle me. About 2 fingers between my chin and my strap. I've also got my glasses to protect my eyes while I'm out riding. I'm gonna let Kim go through what we're gonna pack on our ride.
It's just the old lick and stick technique, and I have a little electrolyte gummy there for if I need it along my way. Today I also have with me a Cliff Bar. We won't be going far, so I shouldn't have to eat, but in case I do, I am ready. The next important thing we need to have is we need to have everything we want to fix our bike should something go wrong. So I have with me a tube in case I get a flat. I have a tire iron. This helps me take the flat tube off of the bike. I have some little patches here in case my tube is repairable. I don't actually have tubes in my bike, but if you do, then you'll want one of those. And then I have an air canister and a puncturing tool. So all you do is you screw this little air canister into here, you put it on your valve stem, and it immediately compresses air into your tube. Other things I have with me are a multi-tool. This can be used to fix a chain, raise a seat, fix a handlebar, all kinds of things you can use this tool for. You can fix your brakes, fix your gears. And then last, but certainly not least, I have a few safety items with me. I have this friend Stacey who crashes on her bike a lot, so in case I need to dress one of her wounds, I have some gloves for my safety and hers. I have some disinfecting wipes, I have some ointment, and I have some Band-Aids. If anyone was injured beyond this point, we would probably call for help. So I do have my cell phone with me, which is taking this video. I also have a GPS item on my bike. This can track your activity as well as help you call for help and safety, which are like my 2 favorite things. So you can call for help and safety with this GPS. So even though my tires are tubeless, I carry these supplies in case I do have an issue with my sidewall or a separation. I can put that tube in and I can inflate it inside the tire itself, and I'm back on track. If you're not tubeless, obviously you're just going to need to replace your tube or patch it or get it going again.